And Chakasia and Koma Obibia, Babibia Obia, and the Sia sign at Snassi, Abugyen show you so. The baby I will be a makers as a Kasian Koma send the Wajija, no Atana say, only young Babe Jumadi. Midi at the Abena Ghana, Jumadi day a Abugyen. Now because baby Sasa Abugyen cry a day, a Jumadia yet yaba. See the Babe sees fear, the Bessia warrior, the Bessia Nama Baby. Now Miss Sir send the Uba, a Humanoso, now near Babe Casa, Nka Abugyen, throw Jesso, Sem empa enkasa empa be kasa ansa na ebe start dwumadi no enchia kese enkoma ye papa Dr. Kwaku Oten ye nyina ye wish no our condolence wa hwere ne maami ende ena omode maami ekoko share from ti ba bia doctor wo bia Abugyen for on behalf of RTV ye wish you very big condolence ba shedding na nyame enema onoa na osanje afi entia kese enkoma ye sponsors seba nam dwumadie so omaso yasene na yetim di dwumadie ebro na wochi bia eye time herbal picture o se malaria de wadro an time eno ane se obekwa akọ check se malaria mo no ebi wo umojanum se wo munko ansere won ha ho kope time herbal measure na bibia ebe ye kama pa afi give us speak up so o se be ma obebo adwuma na afi nya dia herbal measure eye draws from kokora aba nana techi beaters the true beaters are onoma enya nsanko san ye duro a ebe siesie honanum papa na afi give us water just say ensu a wonoma e clean humire mu ama wo just say wa obe feel genza ankasa na ye wi a afi o de afri rice pudding Mama, for they say the rice water here, jay, baby, I will be a Afri rice pudding, ebe boama bibia aye kama. Answer na me introduce me penny phone any jumadi question no. Me ka say nsema ye beka ho asem kra how to make oba se bebe ma baby I will be a we said ya obetimi ama ne ho aba e wo mpam ne ne ye ba betwetwe ho enkomo se be ma obeyede kra ma oba e ho aba eti baby a wo bia ye na oba betwetwe enkomo how to make a woman ni orgasm no female orgasm no eba no ene no ho nkomo twetwe ne eba betwetwe na ne mpanyifo ye nya be wo fie ha sei moa mu nia be ma abusia ni ye nya no wo fie ha soro nkokora afei Mavis ya actress so na ho fefo ni ye nya no ha ne ye ne be eba betwetwe enkomo kama ti ba bia wo bia nsero didwa nasi nene ge ba be dinkomo abusia not to say
aba be ni boko na nso e
boko happy independence
you can say
happy independence
we dem say
ni je nko a o nti anu anu wo kan you no be rishi amagana
oh say fire born say amagana betumpon na officers amagana so nya self contained
okay May happy independence.
Thank you. Many happy returns, baby. I'm ready to be an emetry.
Emetry, ni Ghana Ghana niema ekoso.
Ni baby. Na sikambra kroni. Na yenye bindi.
Ena
na de be e bompa ye.
Sikade se bi wom. Na development aba kroni. Sikade se bi wo dada. Sika wom pa.
Se enye easy.
Oh, amafo ni bindi.
Sika wom eye sika wom na tese bibia akose kama. Me start here free abusua wo so ye say sempa ni be ma ubetwa oba average orgasm
chiashefo question we dey say obi can say simple so be ma dey na no yetina say bobo nse bebre so ene etifo di nkomo ememu say sebi oba ne be ma etina be oba ne be ma beto aware akwanim anase tranatwe akwanim a empema gro so ka ho bi empema gro kita almost be 90%.
Okay.
So what I say bema no oba ho anaso ba no bema ho a monte mo ho ase no e ba na sa empema agros monte mo ho ase.
Okay.
Before oba ba wichi na organize so bema wonya abotre so ni mu enya abotre twitwu no fuwe bobi go mi se da fini awo foforo no nya abotre dan no de ne to no mu nya abotre found sketch ma kwafe fa na so mu nyina ne na so echi na mo oba no say yes de me kunu eye media ebi ni bebia.
Okay.
Is it quite a job? I so muhim crying on holiday. The same Mamuhimu, a hormone of smoke. Cut so much of Bahinuma and Yadikitua. It's Nina Kahubi, a quasa, a baby, Sebin, Nippon, Holland, Babia. baby a nepo nangasa wo no e ma bebe nangasa nepo no se ne tie no omo ni je ho the more na o second nepo no more na o twetwetwe no na se na wonya abotre a wato boase se ne wonya se bi ade bi a e kire so ebo so adwen so no na o twetwe ne nufuo no soke nufuo na kwa kofa se bi na ya ase lekeno twetwe ne mu a ma oba no say yes because sex dey ademiansa na na yetra se kan eye ketrema ene o finger ena obema ente ebomo ya ademiansa ketrema no ye adwuma wi a ya na most of time finger ye adwuma wi a ansa na ketrema na ba ketrema no free wa ansa na se bi kotie na ba na ni na echi no se oba bi hon ma se bi eche ansa na ne ho ede aba oba bi won so a ene de se bi uso ni mu apena na se why wet kwada dada ti kakra me kan se oba ne be ma empema go no e time say obema wonya abotre ma o se bi oyira nso mpuna na wotimi move no more than some minutes bi ana hour kran ansa na se bodo obema de e penetrate e ba ne sa na e ma oba no tete say yes obema e dome
okay na chere say die no enye ye kan say gigigigigi oba ya no wato ahye nso ne se die na wodi e wo se wotimi soso I was still to so no for no. So no for no. So me modon sa. Nsa no fa ho. De tachire ma ne ya adwuma. Ma hu se ba no. Ne ho abankasa. Oba so de ne ho ba o don sa fa se won ma tenkuruma. Okay. So I to. And so oji di say sa ne ma ye nyina sa odi ye ba obetima reach orgasm.
Oh yes anu ma we na. Ansa na open it o be reach kwa bro so. Before no be so be din nankasa kwa na no ho ababro so kra aba mo hudo anya ne ho kra
na tase bebre sa
e ba sa kra be w0man kra onyu chop man because oduma so ani
eti o ka say be ma o pese o ma ba ho ba niema we no odwene say be ma de ye ba no ho betimi aba.
Sex is all about patience to boase ma oba no to boase nye gidigidi se bi etwa no nko wi aye wa wo de na wo da ho ti to boase umiemia no na o ye ne de wo pe ne ye de ade be wuru ba ni mama na te se be ma edi sebi se oni wa kwampo na ko fa me prada de bi kwa no timi nyame saa those are the things I dey hear ma sebi uni wa kwampo na odwenwen okayo
okay
so ade oba pe na papa wa solo betutu na wo twitwi osekwa na wo kisi no
no okoyi ekoyi o mebe na so me yes ye dekora ne ba ma yetimi reach ye orgasm oba hu betimi aba tese die ni be ma ba timi hu aba
abna mechia ahwefo mo hwe yanyimwe mechia obibiara mechia Adams awo Germany mechia obebre na achede na ode bae no so mensa ka mesom nti meda sepa nyame onhirawo meme yoba nti mechire meme de
okay
se de abusua ye mamia me hu betimi aba na mechire ana metimi afele se me yoba eni say e wo se abusua timi de metweba di agro
this a tweba ho no hia twene ba no
tweba no na make say ye wo different type of tweba e be a flare atete se flowers e bi party se kontomre ye wo different obi kro wa na tweba no etese kote enti sa tweba ye etese kote e de na be na nsa sa tweba na sorry unya nta che no kra no sorry dada
okay
enti be ma de o pese o ma oba reach ni orgasm relax ma oba no ma ne nampa ne so boko wonsa kokromoti sei anase wonsa tien se die tweba nanim agro wodi di agro na watafre now the so man sa obi hu se oba no obi won ne nan kakra I said the otwe ne tuko akire sa no obua enye ya ne de na se o ye ne sa ma no so e abotre enye gidigidi
ahia na okoka no
why because e ma bi o ha me say me ho chance na ba so if you want to please me then you have to work hard and harder.
Wow.
And yes sir me hunya mai and yes sir mejejo so but na me nyan rechi and na say me rechi so I become very wet eba ne say no timu say me twema for papa sa tell me nya kote but don't give it to me tease me because what the mommy says here what the two anu obema no ho beba why because I'll be making noise. So if you want me to reach my orgasm relax for me me say for me tweba e nema bebre me kire 11 what the tweba ni be di agro what the tweba ni di agro sa tweba ni be sorry na sorry ya obe hu say be pu aba epuba bonten saa uhu enye hu baby it's normal. I mean I feeling na menya na ama na ye saa enti eba ne se uhu ne saa na no obema ne case nwan o man ne case wie ya o si baby this is the time you have to open up.
Okay.
Now me suma catch you say you I'm ready. Sweetheart, put your finger inside the pussy. Try to bring it out. So the baby say emo ye crispy. I say animu ye rough kakra, animu shey na smooth. Damadan. When a man touches that thing, it is very sweet. Men don't know. I'm telling them. Gushiri no. Say, that man when you the more rene come not more rene baby antin. Sister, na ode ko touch sa die bi na she twani mu ho ne ma wa. Missy, oh yeah, the one kasa na etacha wonunum basabasa. Itwamununun onye no. Oh, thank you. It's a boko. Because okay say oh yeah ni gidigidia oh hurt me. Finger is not like that dick. Okay say your finger is small. But enti say okote.
Kotini de senya na abonti wa ya ne se de
ya. Enti mema na mo finger man na odini say gom no de go to kronim. Why? Do you want to push her and I would do quick pada say na yefu.
Ozo homa.
Enti ozo
honya mai.
But that if you do that enu mo nkrem won say sex wo ho no eye boko. Wo di oba na say abusia oye gidigidia. Wo begum ani mo ase ho beba na oba ne ho mayu. Eno na ye dije ho nso na ye ho maye no. Enti se wo di na hwe wo ye be ma na say opese wo mo oba akoma nto ne ye mo a. Eye abotire na wo benya na wo position yie. Se wo position ne dampa ne so yie a. Wo ba wo di ye ukotena ne nam nanim. Na on hwe na me hwe se de wo kwa a wo ba no. Se de ye ho na mo hwe na mo hu se. Wo be hu se na kote na adwodwo kra na like olumani tiro na epeja no the same way na yesu ye dampa ne so na se mo nso mo ye mo na mo na ho na kwa me hwe sa me se tikoti we akonyina me amedia nti ade mi nko na mi bedi. You see, you become so excited, so happy to the extent say you feel say be ma wo ye nko awodia nti if we want a woman to reach her orgasm and you are doing these things I make sure we are what touching na wo ni tirim nyina wo de won sa ne nam ho na sumu na wo de won sa ne nam ho enufo no ye nchim ne say ye chim radio nufo na no say no so nufo ni mu a
you chim say the mochi station
bi o ti sa no ni say why ni say
ya pa and it is not nice say uso ma we ni say o massage ade no na wo de won sa fa ano na ye wo de o wia na say de wo so ade ni mu nyina say dia bom na fi di agro wo nsem na di agro na wo kise no o ye ni say ni nyina na wo no da nanum na wo kise no sa na de safri nanim wo be wo so de ho na wajimi na I'm telling you
na wajimi me ba also adofo baby a wo bia ye the WhatsApp number bi ato so enti nkomo aye twetwen fa o message ne bra ne yen read ma 055 015 1341 055 015 1341 055 015 1341 odi o message ne ba ye be read ama kama pa ma bibia aye kama me to aso
enti se wo ye ne sa na oba na hu se afidie nani agimro so a that time no what the wokote ebe brush ye twenani kote no the be brush won fan shem you tease her with the prick what the di ni tweba nani magrosa I said ye obe so the shem what the basura na the wine na koso what the ba na the wine what the ba na the wine no na nyina na otiem honey fuck me we say wait relax calm down time no so say me the be shem mama time no so me the be shem that time ne ho ba oba bi o ho a ne ho ba e ba te say Johnson de no.
Yeah.
So original orgasm. About say just about say na paper to say I say we boy pie.
Squat.
Squat. Yes, thank you. Obi so ha ne de no eba normal nsuo unim we oba white bi sa. Normal nsuo white. Eti ni back to the say cream. I say cream color. Cream color say my hu nsuo no unim ticha na me nchiro.
Say na hwe.
What a free bida.
Come on.
What a free bida. Who say ko yi?
My yen sha de o ha say. Oh yeah, sure say kwatie nko a betimi ama oba ho aba
de bida
say wodi oba wo di kwatie nko a hye ni twem no betimi ama ne ho aba
no dey depending oba no oba bia ne system say na okay oba bi ho no ma sebi ono no me fa ne say ya na ma bibre na pause na ma omo e chance na ba koko
eno so de givers koko ha so mo ko pebi capsules
so that say obabi on ma e asana no aba be ma de koko didi mu asisi na ho aba
nti eno so givers capsule be ma wa ejina
obabi wa depending the system a kita no ko tie to na se a eche asana no ho aba obabi won so aketema kan wa no ho ma so obabi won so anya afinga na no ho ma
okay
but sex there is ora normal me asa
obabi so ha no fo ane no ho ba
obi ane system so obi ane feelings here dey ehye
chese wo di oba na wo fi no fo ko tie ni hwetwe ni mu no na no fo ni da wanu
anu dia ejuma kesi
ejuma kesi oba ni hye wasisei o kisi no na wo kisi no na wo wono no tie mi radi mi ye mi radi
da bi e dia se ko boxing nya bo tema no
mundi mu kuno
eno obi am no wo match
say ya ni just last week okay
ojani jare
ojani jare no e to ri pia mo am ju na me neyim na ayema
enti na ebe ka ho asem
eni ebe ka ho asem
enti me emma oba ani bebre so omo make love a me mfa ne sex because o can sex the angels we share bia on no mo di mo ho anu no kuna na o partner e make love a emma ya dwene no so do afi no dwene ho o de atade bi ka o sele ni kunu sika kora wanfa ma no he na wo so de no ko shopping wanye niema bi nti saa de no so ntimi mama ho ma wo firi se adwen no ni ade na wo ye no so
abna de o kana ye no krepa enu nti na oba ma okunu eni nje na okunu nso ma wani age I think say if your man has it o okunu no wo bi nko ade a o ma na ni je obetimi ahwe wo ye pa
because adwendwen no so timma
wo say
omo ho ntimi ma
wo say ye mba na sometimes most of these problems they are na feel oba bi wo a mi se onim kotie die pa nso ondi ni kun da ana say ondi ni kun ye da you know what and me fish shop eba no me lady friend bi owo me fie nanim na me du obi a ya na o ha me pa anti me na ma ese me gina ho kakra na edi nkomo na ye kasa na ma me bi na o ka bibi na o se me me kasa nche o mu meku ntimi ni ma me ni di nkomo no sa afige na no a anti me nsema ya utimi kan de ya na me bisa me wo se me metimi aye bia na bisa ne se ade wo ntimi ndi ukunu o se da bi o me gwa mi kun kan che me se ma asai
and no ka hu bi mema hini bi
you see no but no it's no you see
say we yes our
let me tell you what don't think that way we your bar no ne be mate o se o ma wundi no what are you talking about why did you marry me timiti ai ebusia ware me a ebusia ma me tena ne sona me rock na homa
enen ka ba fon ko a
ebusia me fa se ni bi here
David be tata ma na pa na ma wa fa
it me catch the girl no say said your tie me hu say it means say ni kunu no ne wadam no o ma be ma ni no sister me kunu say the onima ne say me na me nkan sili ase o ye say ya na be ma na be shensi na we di
na da guma fodie no
enum ne yanka say me ko hwe ni kunu na abai o pa ke ka na me scratch di o yiri ye o say sister adam me ameni o mo ye night nti me ka no agro kwan so na ma say eya di ni ye ene nwumre mu nko di na na so smart me ke na me makoye me fine bi wo baby na me de na me say eya mu njimani ene mu kwe he ene style be na ope be ma na sitio ene style be na ope o se me ka che ni so mbutu o se o mbutu ha na me dane me nam ko hwe again na che so obi wa abonti a obutu ma be ma no
ope o ni de
enti why are you a woman and you don't want to bend down for your man o se butu a o se de bi me butu o mi ko be ka se ma sei
ono de Brazil na he ka no otua no butu
let me get serious. It's so painful.
Yeah.
For a man to be with you in the room and you will say, man, when Okwabontia Misika he will give that money to those small girls and they will fuck him well.
That was
me who said, Papa no, or can't say, me who said, I say, Odin Kolano, Butumano. Because if such a man I meet him, I will bend for him.
I said, Ben may be your garden.
And I will push for him into your bar.
Baby, be your guardian.
Please, if you are a woman and you are sitting there watching me, open up for your man. Ma who couldn't do? Won't say it. Who couldn't do? I don't say. Won't say. So who put too much? Who say on fire? Hey, say we through Mukrabe to na foul.
Yeah.
Never end on yet.
Me John. Oh, I mean I can't.
I'm fine, Papa.
Bema, They kept the machine through one and what I found was so banana say. On one in the crabby. And so Obasan and Kaye.
Seriously?
Obasan and Kaye.
Oba show. And men so and the year and the Cassan and Yama between my barn cashe. So a dear was all year my bearman who ban on ye.
Yes. Oba bia buku.
Okay.
A dear dear baby.
And no dear so. And to your barber once in my bearman.
So about it.
Or say the what the woman. Said your pen on. Your bema be or no have be out to meet Chimo or to me so not what you say like you say. And I 9 o'clock. Oh, say that way I say. Now, or to me, Pagana or the good call. The
well when you are to say no. I but say Ghana, mine, and you will not because him kiss.
Cynthia Yaba say ya started.
Say you better.
You better. But they are all children. They are also winning that to was the Ombesia, almost a chromusia. Obedient you couldn't have by now, Odi.
And you are starting the ever come up with baby. You ever read first segment here. Dear some no Becca. Actually, men more show said you be on bedi bar. I'm a bar who a bar. Na ba ni agye ne kunu ho na ba ma ni agye ne yere ho na aware anam panatwe no akoso die mpa no beka
be ma de se onitua se oba ne be ma agrodie die se bi oba ma se bi ompetwe de ne bi ne ho ne ba ntem ana ne ho ne enyu ho enti kakra de bia ye kan se o yo oba bro ho ase e ma wuku nyame anu anu me fan bonnet modern se bi so ne won tokwa na fantokwa ne to nchen be se wodi na wie no Would you see the son no apre na funu kakra na ne di nkomo so ati ase be na bie ni ho no ma sebi kwatie hye twem a otu ne bela wontua e no ni go ka so o de ka I will pay
o de ka obesan
eti no edie di ehu hia pa ana enye kwatie no kwa Ghana member bi ho no ma do munima se ekono no no Viagra na be si oba no so ye kwatie kwa Viagra mo omo to ketema de nka ho. It is time amu shon kwetema na de share ma twem be 1 hour tafri twenu ma twemu so ne nkomu e ma onyi che kora be ma otwoba so komu e ma onyi che o kasa kora o kasa esisi so oba bi so ne je ho
okay
na no ye betena se kasa de che lady bi ho mi o se mi pantra na me se sere o ya wotre sara o mo ne je ho ekoye eti ye kasa warefo sex there is part of marriage it's part of relationship it is so woman the wukru the niye na next lekun fo mani age se pono a esa o wiase na ukọ pono site on wo catch site bia
so ho te bia ko pesta dia je
ni 2020 dia be na ma bebre kro ni
se ne na no kire ye
busha
last week o kire ye ni me
bebre aba
pa
so dia se pampers na aba
ye beba so me dia asem no be ka kire mma ni memo mo hwe se be ye obetimi oba so be gugu no ho ama ni kunu atima di no na be ma so betimi di ba yi na da bia ni je abafie
mano yabotre oni be ma wo ho na se wo ka se o ma usika nkoto wig na wamfa ma wa eno ntire se oba wo be ma kote ana etwekom ekunu o ma ni kunu de ene na che se efie o no pese hellfire ena emra o pese ni je beba fie ne se nti me sremi nuano mo ma ni nyina se wo kunu na wo pe bibi po na wamfa ma wa me mbo no etimodin ewo se mi ni won na se wo se umma kola ni school fees no eno me ko teacher ni bisa me na master ni bisa me wantua nti me ma wundi me there be enya de papa because wo ka sa kire na ebia na wukunu no wankoye sa mema na omo mutirimu nya di ni bi ebia wukunu tirimu akoya den kakra eba na se obepia bonten se opia bonten so pe enije emmafie na kire se wo de wati me waka me beba fie esa okwa aduane kro ma na we ba bedi sana mema no so se mo yiri no mu sremu a me sremu mu fa mo omo wo bi nku ade because sometimes no oba bi onimpa wona kuma m se ade a me bisa braya we ewo ho but braya emfa mama braya wo ge bi wo dan na chi okwa ode be ma ge no
ban so anu ntimi nsesa the feeling you have
ye nipa se uhu se ukunu ochiti na oye bibi na sometimes e da clear ma ope e ba ne sa na oya obi abehyew mu hwe
meba so ha se unkrofo he unafofo no messages never sa ma really kura bebebum yes must say messages no eba ba ko say hello good evening please I struggle to come what should I do or baby or say they no work and say oh dear where today or say or struggle pass or ba or be say
because she has to come
yeah na ya answer ni nyina edoso Obviously say hi, my name is KK. I like what you say. And see may I'll say opedi war canapa. And obviously say hi Abusia. We gaga dodo. Obviously. Yes, we gaga dodo. Message for us to say good evening. I'm looking. Oh, okay. I'm watching the program. Thanks for your teaching. I'm learning some tip B from it now. I want to ask the lady question. Please give my number to her. No, I send the number. Your friend, the Prophet Ben. Prophet Ben Abaha. Picture no so ha Prophet Ampa. Where the keep yentimi nka wa ha. Asolo ni nyina wa send the say Prophet Ben. O see emfa the number and man no won komo pa. Bako say hi, good evening. Please, I've been enjoying the program, but my problem is that when I want to have sex with my wife, she doesn't want me to kiss her. Wow.
There is a reason. I'll give you.
Maybe. Also, after just one round, she doesn't want any more. What should I do? Okay, yeah, beba and also messages need also. And I will be saying good evening, guys. I'm Simon from Chifo Praso. Thank you for your program, Royal TV. I think it's educative, but all shouldn't be on sex, but on how a relationship. Don't worry. And then your second episode, don't worry, cry. Ya abasi ebesiesi why? To the don't worry. Ebe ya mama dodo. And I'll be say greetings to you all, especially May. I want to ask my lady that my girlfriend like me to fuck her, but she rushed a lot. So what should I do? And I like my dear baby, passion, whatever. Or say ne girl no, or you only have a sex or rush pa. I'll say the other messages. I think messages. This is a kobasa. I'll say from in prior. So I like this program. My name is Jackie. Okay. And no obiso se ne ho banten temododo. Bema. Oh yes, one bani da na ne ho aba. Nso anya da no de eye ba kope give us speak up so kona kope bi misrawo. We kwa de enye yi. And obiso say or say sex should be passionate in order for a woman to reach orgasm. Women are different from men, you know. Or say man and you different crying a boy and obiso say ne penis no so. Or say my penis is small, so what sex style is good for me so that it be pleasing the partner. Or medicine ne de ebe ma wo ho aton de no ani give us speak up so na style no ye be chiro style no ye wi a abusua ebe chiro and I say hi, I'm Fireman watching you live from Kumasi with my brother Alokoti, and we are really enjoying your show. You are great. Your guest Mavis has killed the show off. I love her. Maybe it's another for the baby. And then Obiso say, please, I like your program, but I disagreed with one statement you made, like you can also fuck your me patcho ni the agro na no di on timi fa obito. Oh, I'm for father bia. No, not on the show. So just making fun. It's more pardon us. Mr. Pardon us. This is TV. Why? Pardon us. Agro na odi on timi fa obito. It's not good. And yet, and I Obiso say, I'm Nanama watching you live from Ask Media. Accra. As a man, you have to reach my orgasm. It's very important. And
as a man, I don't get it.
Obviously, as a man, you have to make her reach orgasm. Very important. Obviously, good evening. I like your program. Please, I have premature ejaculation. What should I do, Mark Nzema? Honestly, say no bantentem said the near kana and today no onye. And then obviously, I have feel your program. I will try all these skills tonight. I will kill someone sexily inside Tema Committee 12. Pacho yati. You be ready. Messages never too much. You be ready. May na you on the show. First segment, you know. Advice, you know. Last word, kwa. Na you konko jinkwa to beto adwumadi no so.
Efa oba na o se be man ne da ne hu ntimi.
Questions no mo bisa ye no. Ba ko say ne ho ba entem. Nti no why be ma die. Be man se ne ho ba entem. Die na obeya ne ho. Se obetim ne ba da che kakwa.
Be ma ho ba entem die. Se when you give a capsule CB. Aye. Odo si cancer the catch na first one na answer. Ko she be na twitwu na ngwani ma se. Utwitwu gu wi a na second one no. Wo da be face oba no. I think that will help. That will help.
I'm Pachoka Samitio.
Be say, so when you give us nibi dia, even if you see kasem of form. odoni ka twetwe ne ho na first one mmra na second one na maye no ofa ko face oba no eno de be mo na che kakra
okay
but first one no ko sim na se ne ho ba de ne koti bejojo
ma cha se me obi so se ne yire ma ne kwan ma ne nkisi no enti die na onye wo hwe yin sese a
e fa ne kiss no won say me share lady bia
okay
now no so complaining about kissing the same thing ye wo ba bi o ope dry kissing
okay
and ye wo oba bi o ope wet kissing
okay
kissing no ye kissing no difference bebre e wom
okay
am na wutie me kissing difference bebre wom
okay
say oni oba wo a me say me pe wet kiss
okay
me pese me kiss no okay se me obe kiss me but who see wo be ma bi wo o kiss ya onimu ye o kiss wa ntesuo na ase de o pintesuo gu wanum
o pintesuo no okay
yes obe ma de o kiss ya oba you should know the woman and what she wants when sa kiss na ye normal one ye nwa no obi wo ho a ne nwa no de beba no obeyi na no afi wo se wo ha na se like oba bi kro no na I say ho afọ kakra
okay
enti sa nyema we nyina no oba bi wo ho a ohu a sorry to say enya nakono ompe eti you should know the type of ade oba ne pe na oba no nso so no omma be ma no like on kire ne say ebia say enu kunu aminim ne
o se ne yire
fine
ebia se pampan wonunum ko nka no mantimi sweet
who say pampan no podi no credit sometimes na won chen kakra say dey obeke so won kasa ayo seconds dey say busia to me be say na no ameba
na me di wonu numbo kwa fa me ho
but you come so answer question na mai
who say me di abese me de kire no akoye ni yiri ya na akoye ni kunu die they have to be able to communicate
okay
honey please I want dry kissing
okay
honey I want wet kissing
okay
enti o kire ni say die opa oba pe say baby ene die o say o nka na ewo abufuo mu o say baby ene de am dry kiss na o kiss me am pe say ye dry you any serious obeba ni sa pepe pa ma o baby ene me pese o fi me ma no na o fi me baby obeba ne sa ma o se won ka sa niam mienu we no na se bia nanum mo se nanum bon dia na nche a kire ona de me pede mebo product bia ni din but then o ba kire no se ka we ni no o keka si ani na o de ya we num nso scent ne ebe kwa ni se mouthwash wo ho obi wo ho a se be makra leki no na se o de be kiss na ompe na wasina wabeleke no ni yan ka bakata wo thank you but it is very nice when you are licked and kissed
okay
won intimate se sa on kire ni kunu sedie ope no sa na se be ma no so on kire oba no sedie ope no no mfanye ma no
messages never bebre ye be fa a message be 5 ye be kan be 5 ye wi ana akband for agiye ni kakra answer ya toa jumadie no eso enti ye be fa messages be 5 ba say hi amamwako please my wife had never sexed me before whenever I ask she become angry she doesn't put my pennies in her mouth and she doesn't want me to finger or use my lips in her vagina what should I do and I'm a pastor my god and you're pastor and second one say I'm interested with your program Kwame from Drobo. Hi Kwame. Abonofo wo kuromo biso say I'm courage. I want Mavis number. If only she is not married. I want to pick a movement with her. I think I like her. Yo ya to why waware. And now obiso say yawa ahinkan. Also I'm watching you from Kumasi Agric. I like the program from Media Agro. And now obiso say hi Kenneth Shra and I'm enjoying your program and very good program. How do men prepare for second and third round? Yebeba so yebeka ko tie nwum yeba. Yeba kire mo se de be ma betima ko second, third, fourth and fifth round. Nam paso. Aye kama akband. Montwaso.
See the music.
Yeah. I hope you enjoy something. I like music. And you know it. What then? Maybe I wish I
wanna meet me a better. Did you miss on a woman? Atana no Otoma kumenyina onkwa ajunjini nya dodo kwa abena kwa Otoma ajunjini nya dodo kwa abena ya titi kwa Otoma kumenyina onkwa ya ode. What else? Me. Hey, my mommy wants. What's it then? What's I say? With my chain, or the mutata shade. I go my chain, not I will come and say. The silver no prayer, what's it? Move my tape. With the yeah. The who to me pen now, get me the woman say. But you may hear the who want to pay, the whole mouthpiece, but none of the same pay. You know, they give the one, or the not me. I tell me what's like my time. But to me, send a real and about to me, Peter Pan, and we didn't come in with the word of more for me. To see me, I'm in here. If I tell, who shall me not for being a shaman, I'm in the power. It is an amateur, my cigar meeting in the cow, or does for one. You could almost sue a woman corner. My happiness, and my mama, my yama, do you like you can see me like a doctor when it's in any man with a wapper. To you disseminate me at an hour, and see that I copy my baby. My happiness, I will feel me as a real copy to my city being a young away. Oh, tope, when you are by now, what to more. Oh, tope, when you are by now, what to Mr. Makuma, made it be my order, made it be child, made it be my order, when you are by now, what to Mr. Makuma, made it be my order, made it be child, made it be my order, when you are by now, what to what else? Me. Mommy horns. What am I say? With them a chain, or the motor shake. I go my chain, not what they wanna say. We see what the was see every room I say. Oh, when you get if I'm on there, the who to me pen now, I guess it be the go say. Me too many, the who want to pay, the whole mouthpiece, so one man send a pet. They begin no. Beg the one, or the not away. I tell you what's like my time. My tune is in the rain and about to me Peter Pan in the moon and look at me, they will do more for me done. To see me never near. If I tell, we shall be not for being a shaman, I'm in the power. It is an about to my meeting in the house, or not for one. We could have moved to a woman corner. My village and a woman, my young woman, June July, see what can see every day better. When it's in the which I'm ever called. Would you be seven to me at the hour? And it's in the accompaniment of baby. Happiness of a feminine story. Open to my city, be like a blue. Oh, tope, when you are by now, what come on? Oh, tope, when you are by now, what come on? It's a makuma, with the bamba order, with the better order, with the bamba order, when you are by now, what come on? Mr. Makuma, let the Bema order, let the better order, let the Bema order when you Mabana Wakumo. I know it. Hey, what's it then? Hey, mama. Me double pen me pebble to push me over me for my child. I said, pen me pebble, what on me, my double, what on me, rush me from me, tell my young boy. This is our father, Chinqua. Major meeting me, the better one. Baby, so shall my phone pa. Facha me na minye bioma na minye bio usuba ingenso me peosa me do wuti me de becha wa ma wa po esi usuba ingenso me peosa me pawuti esi woto me meto wo pe me me pe wo to wo pusha me wodo me pe me che wodo asa wo pe me me pe wo wodo me meto wo to wo pusha me pe me che ma ya wo wate baby sa wo fa me chimpa me pawuti me de becha wa ma wa po baby sa wo shana mafumpa pacha mi na minye yo musuba ingenzo beosa yo otobo famiti na mi muze huni no beru zimi de bechawa mawako amo betuza wo baby sise bora bibi omomora beru zimi de bechawa mawako esi musuba ingenzo beosa if I tell you some words, you go see some of the stress. She dey beat me for myself. Get on my case. If I tell you the outlet, you go see some of the stress. She dey beat me for my chest. Get on my case. I'm lucky, mommy chocolate. I'm lucky, mommy chocolate. I'm lucky. I'm lucky.
It's one party because Abugyen for any lucky. Wow, when Junior a chogia. Sikaba Cosmetics, I on one among I saw no sa or contact Sikaba Cosmetics or bet me a contact on Facebook, Instagram. Nansro, the stretch mask near my fumbia over Honano, so Sikaba Cosmetics. Bemana, come prafe, impen you for me in the area, Nana Safua Papa B or Europe for see or share yanka. So good evening, dear sirs. And I feel Quabinas upon say hi and then I'm Lena. Say I like what you saying. Okay, and then Mohammed say hello. Nice one. Okay, messages no Abena Jane. Now your first segment, no, second segment, no. A horny yet week biya. Yama mo set position bako. Now you know not just a nearma ako. Na ansana no ya da boafo ba so ya sene djuma de e ko so se beni wa just ye ni ho na o person sponsor program ya number here that so mesro betimi afrey and I'll be sending message me no ebe kasa na na second segment no emu ohia ankasa na before that no ye ka second segment ni kaka ye be bie phone line atom enti se wo fia mesro hwe TV no so numbers no omo de begu ho enfre message de no ofre no ye ntimi emfa enti wo hwe de obetimi afre na no so de wadwen kire aba na Abusua ne bia twetwe ho nkomo ne be licking se licking no ani mema so se mo licking ya mo nije licking
ana lan no ye kan se bema onti sebi edi ase no onti licking ase wa hwe eyi e ba ye a message ye ba ye a obi ka se one ne yire wo ho ne yire kwa ntimi emfa ne bema antune that means oba ne ma ne kwa ma ne licking nu aware say no em so mo ndi omo ase na mo ware em say ye chiwo mo say mo ware na mo ware so there is no understanding
okay
entino aware die licking ehu hia oba warefo ukuru kwoti de say dawo nu say poki twitwimwa twitwikoti ni mwa se bi no ho bakra na mene enkopinwu
na be ma so say ye kalekin wa say o fe ba na so o fe de twe no
enu ye 69 69 be ma ni ti no e wa ha na oba ni ti no wa ha na obi a enjoy or check kwoti na so ukatima hye so na so o leki ho
okay lekin kakra bi fi na ye hwe video ne pictures ne bi phone call no
papa o se be ma di otimi ta free training na etwe no kresu
okay
ta free training na etwe no mu fo basa etwe mu fo a wan ka se hu se enija befi because etwe no se one ta free mu yi a oba no onye enije ye wo ba bi oba ne di opepa ne se be ma beta fini twem pansa wadi no
okay
so want to fini twem yi a wudi na ne homba
eti director yeso mo di video ni pictures no ebe gusu amaye na ahwefo enso ahwe licking in the position ni ya licking na ye nyina ya sua de kama pa ewo Abugyen so
na we aba ne sei kwafo no oba no e sorry a eni ji a de sorry no anopa say we feel we no can say one man feel say oba
we feel so oba we feel so oba because they are ban sister no ti nda hokora o no ma we no o chendata
say be ma di agro ne say no so be titi nanim nyina
afem hino no work na pa no yeah the numbers ebe to screen so enti na ye start to pick calls into betimi afre na throughout the program ni nyina all the wadwenkyere aba first segment ni nyina second one ni nyina na say wo di adwenkyere aba ni nyina yesua de na nsro kai se wo frepe na se meka Abugyen na e wo so ka se ma empa enkasa because ye pese na madwi firi na kopin na watwe besia ba e wo se fie bia mumpahe e kasa ye de twe sa wate atie aha enti numbers no ni go screen animu no nti ofra no do wadwenkyere aba na nyina yesua de se na be ya program be koso akoso tumpon na da bia ye betimi okay menya first caller hello. Oh, you lost your caller no. Monko swana mon frère. Why? Monko swana mon frère. Before that, may read it. Hello? Okay, me read the message say. Because message is now banned also. Obviously, good evening. I really like your show from Doma. Okay, please, my husband has never licked me before. He said it's not good. Okay. Hello? Hello? Hello, good evening. Hello, good evening.
Good evening.
Mpacho, udini baby a wakasa free.
Mpacho, your friend Benjamin.
Benjamin wakasa free he.
Kasa free
Kaswa, okay. Mpacho Abugyen. Benjamin. Make Abugyen. What do you just say, Mampan Kasa? Neon trunk comodian so Abugyen. Oh, Benjamin Lino. Yes, Ramu. And move her lines in the Maya way. Yes, Ramu. Yes, Ramu. Move her lines in the Maya neck. Yedamasi. And now see my husband and Le Canada. Okay, hello. Hello, good evening.
Good evening.
Pacha, what do you need, baby? I walk free.
That's it free.
But what free? Hello? Pacha, Kasawa, and America.
Well, I'm a person business and kaka. The same business, you were tap there. You smart, area. Can you be said to take a woman for
what's it?
The period time near them.
Maybe I told you. I told my grandma why and say, but Kasa, what's up so business a day?
So business, tap there, you smart. Time of elite me in my Asia. Now, cat no from 1st to 5th no period in menstruation period. Then from 6th to 10th no time I me obesia I want to remember. Now, sir, the Obano ewo the period you feel be at
me pacha we are dancing now and then your menstrual cycle and once an hour can remember next week your bachelor and then your casa for licking home and I said the bema betima ma ba ho aba nti nkomo twetwe mi no we no so wo bibi ka fa ho ampacho ye ni nkomo
okay
pacha Patrick, next week you buy your amount. Why? Me that say. Or be for menstrual cycle. Okay, to me read the message. Or be say nikunu and le kene da. Or can say nya depa.
What the? The man yes reno. On try now on Lake Oban. Okay.
Hello.
Hello. Yeah.
Good evening.
Yeah, me the kwe.
Mpacho you na okasa free he.
Me the kasa free asking for it.
Okay. Kweku Abugyen.
Moye program do TV na so na ya say here na adidi na me bi sa question me say. Oba ene be mata ho na o ta free na fe no. Nti say we you no call be man mo a. Enko fa problem bi amre no.
Enko fa problem bi ama. Mpacho you be you ano kama why? Ya da say you be you ano sisi a abusia. Obese ho say be man leke. Oba, like the normal one aside the medical whatever. No, what do you think?
Beman Oba Lake India. I was so making sure say Oba need infection there, Oba need clean. So I say Oba need clean infection there, and there be an ultimate.
Okay.
Elekino, come on.
Okay, but me ba. Okay. Hello. Hello. Good evening.
Good evening.
But you baby akasa free.
Your friend is in our person, Casafi Act Media.
Act Media, okay, and that's all my one call anymore.
Accra, your sister.
And that's all anymore. Common, I have to change another car for home.
The Pacho Licking, no. And you say, so one of boyfriend, and I only could know our Licking, no. We say, as a sort of banner, or your niece and answer when you need her. And your father saw your daughter, I don't could answer, or your Plentino. One licking.
Okay, yeah, that's it. Although ask media, see, I didn't know why. The way you are no why. Also, licking, no. And you said, bar, Bema Beleke or bar, or you need not definitely also bar near meat. I don't know
who's your beer, a bar, not in the sense, the band to say Jenny. And Managasa personally, no, Yakupodi, who sent to be boy.
Baby,
thank you. Baby, no, so we are bar. There was one consulting moves, I would say, was here, and you know, so fun, no be known. Not Patricia was and yes, son, a year patch, but yet, let's a simple and so sheer. And now your bar, who bet me didn't trick a crab your good. After that, why your men say we are no. Now the insure so air sheer. Hello. Good evening. But how do you baby our casa free? Brokum, yeah, me a casa meet you. Hello, Pacho Casa, yet you why? Oh, I send this a be an answer or baby car.
Hello, I said, Bisa.
Pacho, yet you.
Maybe I mean, like, like, you know, I'm not master, like, only my dada. Maybe I can hear me, or no young master,
okay.
Maybe I like, oh, now, no big mother catcher on the better.
Pacho,
yes, I make more mother.
But you are not a fair. Me, to I didn't work on so quick, yes, I knew ways one.
No, make us say, when your sons you share now, or buy Mr. Obet me a good train. What the good train when I say train, Uber come now so to send me a Ubet me at him. Self also want to meet him a bucket. Normal bucket here, the Jerry, and also Puma. He's never fought Eddie Rowas and a bad wow pa. So sharing, and now so bet me a now the ahoro. What the what the one sat here about what I said, connect baby, now you clean. Evanesana, Beman bet me a little very okay. Probably. It's slow. We are bar with me, my Beman lake or sir. One Casabano, so we keep her cleaner. Okay, okay, hello. Okay, Abusia. When your Bema say, bow on and over, just a baby out first and he said, or person in that, just say.
banning friend 10% no that
Ebani say ya we na di our jaye we be man kwa bonti kusia alangaju bi a no no kwa friends ne bi dimi ene bi dimi a
picture be send
so enti oba no onhia bibi say ni ku no wa wana na ne mpa mo
do meba. Hello. Good evening. But you need baby our casa free.
But if I'm here, the casa free was free.
But you know young casa near.
But your program is the mission of Papa, you almost will be free home.
Yeah, that's it.
I did not come to him beside say, you know, ma, yes, you I friend, boyfriend, need to say, okay. On Benson a bit more about. I can pass a man, have a relationship now. I get into those things.
To say the virgin, no buy she had that. And when you were so good, you said the only baby she had no virgin. You are no come up. Continue the need.
To Obano, I was so young, now, or money. Nkona wari ani kuno o de oni bibia kan tem dia wo hwa Abugyen programming o hwe obetime se
na wari na sika ba so 90 bi kakra enticement
so what you say oba bi wo hono na se bi
hello good evening papa mpacho di ni baby akata free okay mpacho numero yetio hello but what TV no dum volume my ni ntimi to kasa ko se TV ni ni yeti ente wan kasa okasa hello mpacho okasa yeti o
but make ni we dey enti o
leke he no okay be you are no why won hu video ni bi won ye be you are no so see aye da se abusia ni ansa ni go akire nti ka
Obare de awoso obomode ni kwa kwa say e manu kunu e me kan che so nyame no dabi also request all for be manu say me ka say it is time as you say no e ma de bre sua sene a o meje ohuni e me must be de ohuni na o kwoti da oba nu na oba so twa so da wonu na o tafu na mu na mutime adimuni e no must request here de amafo de
yo and other question no say obi about hello. Hello. Okay. Baako so say oye Bema virgin on fa bada. Nna ko pese ohun se o sisi ohia ba. Die mpa no betima ye maba na ni age.
Oh, eno die no ma bibre.
Se nyame abode enti mo
hia. Oba bi ho ma ni hia kwampo na virgin say e so ma kiss ni mo.
Okay.
O ma touch ni mo.
Ono nso oye virgin te say wo Bema na wo ye virgin no. Enti die be ka kire mo ne say Abugyen program yi. Se o hia bi sa na one na hwe de bia. E bia de bia o mo hwe no tatis na ye de be ma wo ha no betimi esua bi efiri mu. Because say no se o ko hia na ye virgin na so ye virgin a obi enim bi obeti
ntese be na de mo no
omunyina omunhwe ha senye sanso a se o hia obi na se oba no oye free na so nimu ya Bema no ma kokwan na oba no onkyere
okay
because we no kasa na chese
o green
sima me hello good evening bacha udi ni baby a kasa free
bacha free no feel na kasa free
bekum okay ofi bacha mo anu nko
Bacha o de kan say leke die aya na ebo apa the money sute one na de ba ko ni say leke no so na ka ba ni be ma bom e ke ti bondo e ba die modo etina our yimpa nti leke no we ti ma ka pa ni say aya ebo apa e ma ni e honi me ma no so de ti ale ki
Bacha that's Ophelia maybe the messages kakra obviously I'm Rev Enim, if I may ask, when you are fucking the pussy and it's dry, what should I do again to make it wet when the sex is still on process? So odi ba quick aka ye mere kakra bi ti odi e be bon to fan cause messages ni do so ba na se na a dryer awa obey da sama na ye mere afọ
eno sa no betimi di no obebom no atafiri mu kakra otafiri mu akakra we agent issue kakra ho nti so slippery no kakra ko no di
eno sa no wa romance oba no wa romance no ebi e dry ba wa romance no
ba etimi e dry te ba ne sa otafiri
na baby na so e condition sex eno say kan wa sem
so also my wife said if I lick her pussy there will be scent there, so she said she watched the program like yours. Yeah, that's it. Also first na yere no o financier also be my center ba ho. Nti last week in common na amokoko mu na no say sa na o ye look na bro. Say dey e koso papa.
It would be nice say oba da ho na we bie wase pa from papa bi. And I'm who the end of the sentence neighbor.
Okay. Obviously say I will
that person with me chichi mu pa my man no
Obviously I really like you. I really like the show, but I realize what I really like the show, but we release it 3 times. I release it fast within 3 minutes. Bema. Okay. Fast within 3 minutes.
3 seconds.
I say and me so I'm release it fast. Or release it fast. Okay.
Until no dear Oma Obana fan Bema near Groka cry Emano. None of whom first one. My name near Obano. My name tempted. Okay. Okay. That time now first one another thing.
Okay. Mammy pick last caller na yen swajumadi so. Hello? Hello, good evening. You didn't baby Alcasa free. Mpacho kasa kakra manyewae. Mpacho udi Abrepo Junction. Okay. Mpacho yetie o. Okay. Oh. Okay, your last continue. Last message odibe madofo.
The last message, memo there and for problem will like and I wish say you will do it then we can explain more further for them. No Montia say it's more or less like the way I hear black covenant so because over me or moja no me moja near the shame ni to go share ba no so na sometimes no of say we want to meaning in group be am Mr. Like na way hear free.
Okay.
Why? Because like na the covenant
into the next week. Next week. You better ask next week. Teach you
Mechia Washington DC. Where you meet here, you jam your mamma and why you first no. Or some men can tell us a free and then match here. On the 70th, I go see 30th match. I will buy our discounter or they my customers. And to me, now, Mechia, my man, we know we are doing it.
No, you're not with them. Jai. I'm not all to know any other. Abusua Manenko.
Abusua for shey na say program we say Abena Ghana for na aba ma ware for no mo twempna enti bia pemre na won tell TV no hwe program we because ebe bo ware ama se bi efie so ayede yeah me chia kama Abusua ko ina
okay yeah chia obia no se senchia kase elma adofo Abusua fo nyina se da bia motena se na ye hwedwuma die no messages na ba no de yan kan next week and then the best start program he make kindly na mamo answer ye na me chia me am boss Mr. Offair general manager for Nana cked me chia papa so no kokora nchia nko afa bi maame Felicia asamwa papa bi ono so me afa me da crew ni na say the sponsors say give us P capsule give us co capsule cked herbal capsules and sansa ni na kama afa nyadua herbal mixture and time herbal mixture afa give us water or sibibia ebeye kama pa and now face so afri rice pudding strong kokora aba wonya bibia ebeye kama pa ya damu nyina amase na what you say ne ye besan ehye Abugyen so na so na ye be kono akband before e de ye beto aso na so tobo ya wada Thursday bia enyabo 11 p.m. ode to RTV a obenya repeat of the and obesan enya bi ahwe me 1 minute quick tia nipa na band fa yemi me pa chow me tia food paradise e wadan so man control washing bay ne down food paradise or smoothies or aduane type bia spaghetti de ope bia obenya e food paradise control dance man ampa agband omfa yemi ya da mu nyina ase
you for being my love, the fever. Oh, and I wanna give you my no. I make you try my no. And I wanna give you my no. I make you try my no. I want you to get free of rich. I don't go play old school like a vine. And anything they just say, give you fine. I do really got my spine. Fine lady, as I send me a man, can you get back? And you go to contaminate. Me know you tell me the Lord will be here. Then I wanna give you my no. I make you try my no. Can I wanna give you my no. I make you try my no. Sober, Now suspect. Ọkùnrin àná gẹ̀dá mẹ́bọ̀ wọ suspect. Èyí tí màmá mi wà fún mi boxers. Kẹ́lẹ́ kan mo ti mọ̀ pé bó tẹ̀sí parí doctors. Ọjọ́ mẹ́tẹ̀ẹ̀ka débi ní the upstairs ṣọ́dọ̀ ní bàbá mi wọ̀ èdè fún ìrìn àjò òsì. Ìjọba mo ṣe kúrò lẹ́nu sóòtì. Sẹ́kẹ̀ máa bọ́ra bọ́yá pèsè ẹ̀ka pé wọ́n náà ebi kí mú àwọn onímọ̀ òbí. Ẹ̀dẹ̀ sára bẹ́ẹ̀ one day. Wọ́n fún mi ní Mágàdé nàbà nù mọ̀ sọ́ǹtì. Gẹ́lẹ́ nà mánà lọ́ǹtì. Ní bẹ́ẹ̀ ni pẹ̀lú ọkọ̀ campaign. Aba. Abuwa, otonono, abuwa, otonono, abuwa, otonono. Young guy was saying this stuff.